Hi boys and girls, let's make some jello and see how a liquid turns into a solid and also see a beautiful color red. This is something easy you could do at home with your family. Let's mix it, and wait while it's in the fridge and see what happens. Good morning or good afternoon, boys and girls, depending on when you're watching this video. So I have a quick and easy cooking, I want to say slash science lesson, because we're going to be making jello. So jello is a fun dessert, comes in all different colors, and it starts out as a liquid. It starts out like a liquid, and then once you mix it all up together, mix it, it turns into a solid in our refrigerator. It gets really jiggly. And then it's a solid dessert for us to scoop and eat. A lot of us might like it or like to smell it or feel it and taste it. And my personal favorite is red jello. So remember, for your art project this week, we started putting down and collecting torn red cardboard. So even if you do have jello, this is something I would keep and then tear the red part to put towards my red recycled cardboard collage for our rainbow. That's going to be our ongoing art project. So first thing we have to do is take our jello out of the box. Okay, this is what our jello is going to look like. It is red. Okay, and these are some examples of things that are red. Strawberries are red, cherries are red, and this one happens to be red raspberry jello. Okay, first things first, let's open up our jello packet and get mixing. Okay, boys and girls, I have opened up our package of jello powder, and it smells good when you open it. So now we're going to pour our raspberry jello mix. Okay, and that's a powder. Hear the crinkle, crinkle, into our bowl. It's just a little bit of red powder. Okay, so now that's not jello like that. We have to do some mixing. So we have to take 1 cup of boiling hot water and pour it into our bowl. Here's our bowl, listen. And then we mix it. Then we take another cup of cold water and we're going to pour it in the bowl and mix it, and refrigerate for a couple of hours to get our final result of a solid. So let's get mixing. Okay, boys and girls, like we all take turns when we're cooking with Miss Bryna in school, I'm at the microwave and we're gonna take our 1 cup of water and listen, into the microwave it goes. And I'm going to heat it for about 2 minutes. That would ensure that it's nice and hot and at a boiling point for us to mix our jello. Okay, boys and girls, I don't know if you can see, but the water came out very hot and there's condensation on the side of the measuring cup, and it started to bubble and boil, and there's some smoke. So it's definitely hot enough. We're going to take our boiling 1 cup of hot water, and here we are going to pour it. Oh, look at how nice and bright and red. Pour the hot water into our jello mixture. So now we need to take our whisk and mix it. Mix it. How nice and red. All right. Now the only thing left to do is to get 1 cup of cold water. And then we are going to mix that in as well. Okay, I have a measured out amount of cool water that equals another cup. See? 1 cup. And that's where the water stops. So we are going to take, let's see if I can just balance that a little bit. Our cold cup of water and pour it in. We're pouring the cold water into the hot jello mixture. Hear it? Okay. Now let's take our whisk. And what are we gonna do? Mix it, mix it, mix it, guys. All right. So here we go, and that's it. This is how we make jello. It's very easy. This is something that you can make at home with your parents, your siblings, your caretakers, your nurses, and mix it up, and you can smell the different fruit flavors and see all the different colors, right? And then see it transform from a liquid to a solid. All right, boys and girls, so now I am going to check back with you after this cools in the refrigerator for a few hours. And you're gonna see right now, you know what I'm gonna do too, just to show you, I'm gonna grab a spoon. All right, so I just wanna show you, see? Right now, this is a liquid. It hasn't been refrigerated yet. Like water. But once it comes out of the refrigerator, it's going to be jiggly like jello. And it's going to be very red like it is now. Okay, we'll check back in a little bit. Okay, boys and girls, it's a couple of hours later, and as you can see, I have taken our bowl of jello out of the refrigerator, and it is solid. Okay, let me get a spoon and show you. So remember, the jello started out as a liquid, and then once you mix it with 1 cup of hot water and 1 cup of cold water with the jello mixture, it turns into a solid. See that? Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jello. It is yummy and fun to play with. It also talks a little bit about science because of how it starts out as a liquid and makes its way to a solid. Okay. And this is the color red, which we've started for our art project with our ongoing rainbow project. And also, this was our cooking lesson. Also to show you how a liquid goes to a solid. And this is the color red. Okay. See you soon.